we had a very long deliberation with all the senior banking representatives. There were people from all the banks, all the financial institutions, from the business representatives, the associations from Nagaland, insurance companies, and we have had a very fruitful discussion. Certain areas of concern have been highlighted to the bankers, particularly about the need for improvement in the CD ratio. As we all know, the CD ratio in Nagaland is lower than the national average, and a challenge has been posed to all the banks to raise it at least up to the national average. Similarly, a major challenge has been given to the banks to extend credit facilities to at least 1,000 educational loans and 2,000 skill-based loans. That is another decision. Apart from that, the discussion about unbanked areas, increasing the number of branches, increasing the credit flow, all these discussions have taken place. Banks have expressed certain issues which have been duly taken note of, and the state government has assured that the necessary facilitation and help will be extended wherever is required. One of the issues is the NPAs. For that, in fact, there has been a long discussion, and you see, there is a credit guarantee scheme that is called Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. Under this CGTMSE, up to 85% of the loan amount is actually guaranteed. So one can say that to the extent of 85%, the risk of the bank is covered. So with this facility, it is expected that the concern of the banks will be greatly addressed. The other issue that they have raised is about the lack of infrastructure in some remote districts where the kind of building, etc., that they want for opening their branches is not available. So we have taken note of that, and we have told them that we will also be giving instructions to deputy commissioners to extend all the necessary help, and wherever possible, these facilities will be made available.
So did they also quantify the NPAs in terms of rupees?
See, this was actually a high-level meeting, so that kind of micro discussion is not there. But they are saying that in some schemes the NPAs are higher, particularly the schemes which are supported by the Government of India programs like PMEGP and certain other Government of India schemes. But otherwise, it's not an alarming situation. That CGTMSE will cover the loans, and that is how they will become collateral free. So these are the three launches made by the Honorable Chief Minister. There were 2 MOUs also exchanged. One MOU is on Chief Minister's life insurance scheme, which has been launched, and this MOU has been done with the Tata AIG. Then there was another exchange of MOUs with regard to the police accidental insurance. The entire police force, more than 25,000 police personnel, they will be covered under this scheme, and insurance up to 75 lakh will be available in case of any accidental death of any police person. So these are some of the highlights. Actually, I would say that a good beginning has been made, and you see, there were representatives from the corporate offices of banks. So many a time they may not be getting the actual picture since they were being fed by their own people. So since they were there in this meeting today, we are hoping that they have got a better idea of the ground situation. And my hope is that definitely some improvement will come with all these initiatives.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapu viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.